Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the essentials so nothing limits sound quality. Put in fresh batteries and confirm transmitter and receiver are on the same frequency band. Once done, set transmitter gain to nominal and the receiver input to unity, or about -6 decibels headroom. Make sure the mic capsule sits roughly 6 to 12 inches from your mouth and antennas are visible and unobstructed. These first steps prevent clipping, noise, and RF issues, so the signal entering your chain is clean and strong. Now you shape and control the transmitted audio so it reads well in loudness and clarity. Start with a high-pass filter around 80 to 120 Hz to remove rumble, and notch or cut a couple decibels in the 300 to 500 Hz range if the voice sounds boxy. Next, use a compressor set roughly 3:1 with short attack and moderate release to tame peaks, and add a soft limiter a few decibels above peak to prevent overs. Also scan RF, pick the cleanest channel, and you'll keep interference out of the chain. Finish by verifying the full chain and locking in consistent levels. You should monitor on high-quality headphones and record a reference take, listening specifically for sibilance, distortion, or breath noise. Make small EQ tweaks to fix tonal issues. Adjust mic proximity, add a pop filter if needed, and orient the body pack to keep antennas clear. If you encounter RF dropouts, rescan and pick a new frequency, raise or reposition antennas, and if necessary, move the receiver. That single troubleshooting step resolves most wireless problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.